Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. Let us look at this problem related to differentiation. If the derivative of sin 2x into cos square x is equal to a into cos bx cos cx, then a plus b plus c equals to how much? If the derivative of sin 2x into cos square x is equal to a into cos bx cos cx, then a plus b plus c equals to how much? To solve this problem, let us observe what is there on the right hand side, or what we need to get on right hand side. We have to get on the right hand side product of cos functions. We have to get product of cos functions. Now we know that product of cos functions can be written as sum of cos functions by transformation. Now if we want to get sum of cos functions, then what we need to have on the left hand side, so that after differentiation we will get sum of cos functions. We know pretty easily that should be sum of sine functions, because sine function differentiation is cos function. So our approach to solve this problem will be, now go to the left hand side and try to transform or change this into sum of sine functions. Once we are able to do that, then we can apply different derivative will be sum of cos functions. Then we will do transformation, we will get a product of cos function. Then we can easily find out the values of ABC. So let's go to the left hand side. We will write down sin 2x into cos square x. Now we need the sum of sine functions. So I will keep sin 2x as it is. I will write down cos square x as 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. Now this will help me to separate them and write it as sin 2x divided by 2 plus sin 2x cos 2x divided by 2. Now the first function is perfectly fine. The second function, what we can do, we can leverage the formula 2 sin a cos a is equal to sin 2a. This formula will help us to convert the second function into sine. So I will write down sin 2x divided by 2 plus 2 sin 2x cos 2x divided by 4, that is equals to sin 2x divided by 2 plus sin 4x divided by 4. Now once we are able to get the left hand side in terms of sine and sine, let us go ahead and differentiate it. So we'll write down d by dx of sin 2x by 2 plus sin 4x by 4, which is equal to d by dx of sin 2x by 2 plus d by dx of sin 4x divided by 4. Now sin 2x derivative by chain rule will be 2 cos 2x by 2 plus similarly sin 4x derivative is 4 into cos 4x divided by 4. We can cancel 2 and 4. We got cos 2x plus cos 4x. Now how we can write down cos 2x plus cos 4x in terms of product of cos functions? For that we will leverage the formula that cos cx plus cos dx is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into x multiply with cos of c minus d by 2 into x. Now that formula we can leverage. So we will use that formula and we will write down Now that is equals to 2 into cos of 2 plus 4 by 2 3x, 4 minus 2 by 2 x. So 2 cos 3x cos x. But what we need to have is a cos bx cos cx. Now you can compare and you can see clearly that a equals to 2, b equals to 3, or b equals to 1, or c equals to 3. Now what is a plus b plus c? A plus b plus c is equals to 2 plus 3 plus 1, that is equals to 6. So our answer is a plus b plus c is equals to 6.